Does swing trading work? Whether swing trading is better than intraday trading? Hi friends, my name is Indrajit Chantraj. I'm a full-time trader and author of 3 best-selling books. First, disclaimer. Swing trading is a trading technique that seeks to capture a swing when the price goes into a complete sideways zone. The idea is to get out of the trade before the opposing pressure comes in. It means you look to book your profits before the market reverses. So if you look at this chart, so this is in a sideways mode, right? We aim to capture this swing or we aim to capture this swing. This is the fundamental idea of the swing trade. Then how to take a trades in swing trading? So first you need to identify a range bound market in an index or in a script. Then we need to observe the price action very carefully at the support level if you prefer to take a long trade. Similarly, you need to observe price action very carefully at resistance level if you prefer to take a short trade. If there is a strong price rejection at the support level, then you can plan a long trade the next candle open. Similarly, you can plan a short trade if there is a rejection at the resistance level. In between, you can trial your stop loss when the price moves upside if you have taken a long trade, and you can book profits just before the resistance level. Same case for short trades as well. I will walk through with some of the example. So this is first example. Can you see the price is in clear sideways mode? And can you see this is a price rejection? It's a clear case of rejection. So one can plan a long trade above this, keeping a stop loss below this level. They can target this or they can target little below somewhere here. So this is a good target. So this is example 2. Can you see once again the script is in complete sideways zone, isn't it? And this is a support, which is nothing but a buyer zone. And this is a resistance, which is nothing but a seller zone. Can you see a clear case of rejection here? Price tried to break this level, but this is a clear case of false breakout. So one can take short trade below this candle, keeping a stop loss above this. And they can target the first layer of the support. Don't wait until price reaches here, you can exit here. Can you see example 3? So this is also in a clear cut sideways mode. And this is a support zone and this is a seller's zone, that is resistance zone. Can you see the clear case of rejection here? So one can plan a short trade below this, keeping a stop loss above this, and they can target the first layer of the support zone. So this is example 4. Once again, the script is in a beautiful sideways mode. And this is support zone and this is seller zone. Can you see this? This is a clear case of rejection, right? So one can plan a long trade above this, keeping a stop loss below this, and we can target this area. Now you might ask a question, why should I book profits at resistance for a longer trade? What happens if I carry forward from here? Friends, please remember, as a swing trader, you are only looking to capture one swing in the market. To ensure a good success rate, you have to exit your trades at the resistance levels, because that is the idea of swing trading, right? You are not doing trend following trading here. So this is the idea of swing trading. I hope you got the point. Then what are the advantages of swing trading? It gives outstanding results when the overall market is in also in sideways trend. And you don't have to spend more time in live market as compared to intraday traders. And your trade, sometimes it might last from few days to few weeks. And it is the best suitable trading technique who have other jobs or businesses. And even stress level is stress level is less as compared to intraday trading. Then what are the disadvantages of swing trading? It gives medium or average results when the market is in trending market. But remember, market trends only 20 to 25% of the overall duration. And a trader will not be able to ride the trends. Again, the success depends upon how a trader aligns his trade with the market conditions. For example, if the index is in a deep downtrend, then it doesn't make any sense to opt for a long trade using a swing trading technique, isn't it? In such a case, it is better to look for a short trade when using the same swing trading technique. Similarly, when the index is in strong uptrend, it doesn't make any sense to take for a short trade. You can look for a long trade. And there is no the another disadvantage is there is an overnight risk with this. And similarly, one more disadvantage is return is less as compared to intraday trading. What are the best books on swing trading? So these are the two best books on swing trading: How to Swing Trade by Brian and Price Action Breakdown by Laurent Damer. I have given the links of these books in the description box. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.